Welcome, in front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First we need to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. I forgot to mention, but basically if you want to manage applications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone. So open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with your watch. Then tap on Device, and here you should see the App Store. Tap on the arrow to open the App Store, tap on Mine, and then tap on More right here next to AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro. And here we have the list of applications installed on our watch. And to remove one, you can simply tap on bin icon, select it, and then tap on Delete. Then tap on OK, and the app will be uninstalled from your watch. And you can install multiple if you want to, but I'm just gonna remove this one. And then you can close the app, and that's how you uninstall the applications from this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.